Hello, what is your name?
Hello, ma'am. I'm Novin Galieta.
How old are you?
I'm 27 years old.
What is your religion?
I am a Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
I'm a single mom.
Okay, do you have kids?
I have two kids,
How old are they?
10 and 4 years old.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
3 months and a half, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am. 2 years.
In the Philippines, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your current, previous employer?
3 months, ma'am.
Where's your employer living in?
Yautong, ma'am.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
500, ma'am.
How many family members there?
4, ma'am.
How many children?
2, ma'am.
How old are they?
7 and 2 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up 7 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
Feed the baby.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, we play.
Mm-hmm.
And then I cook congee.
Mm-hmm.
And 12 o'clock, I feed again. And then when he sleep, I'm cleaning the house.
Mm-hmm.
And then wake up, I give a meal. And then after that, I cook again the congee.
And then?
When he sleep at night, we play with the girl.
Okay. How about dinner? What time you cook?
7 o'clock, ma'am, but the other helper cook for
Okay.
their dinner.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, what time they eat?
9 o'clock, ma'am.
Okay. So, what time you go to bed?
10:30, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.